I hope everyone had a good day trading in the market today. We'd like to take a minute and recap our day in the Trend Catalyst trading room, then go over some stocks that are up in after hours that could possibly be good picks for tomorrow. We had a gap up to deal with this morning. Usually we see a flush when this happens. Knowing it's OPEC week, a choppy flush was expected. You can see this is the SPY 5-minute chart, and the SPY offered a ton of opportunities to trade it today, from respecting the downtrend coming in to open, to bouncing off the 200, to a trend break. This was the Powell meeting. We had a big pullback and then another bounce off the 200. Even run a sell program here at the end of the day. We seen heavy K-Web option flow on Monday, so we were already expecting a pop on the Chinese sector, and our live scanner was littered with China names this morning. Within this sector, JD had a better than expected earnings, and pushed up nicely. And with a nice gap up like this, we were once again expecting a flush at open. SE had a better than expecting earnings as well, but this was not as drastic of a pullback. After the initial pullback, this one did pretty good. AMD was on our radar because of a big $140 price target that was put on it this morning, and this gapped up above yesterday's high, so that was a good sign. It respected our fib level at open, was able to push. So being above yesterday's high and being at our fib level that we call out daily was a very good sign that this was going to push. Did a really nice move today. It did pull back at 2 o'clock, just like the SPY did. A lot of other stocks pull back here, but this was just another opportunity for a snatch back and then a recover. So within the semi sector, we've seen SOXL as well looked really good in pre-market, and we also seen volume coming into AMD and SOXL in pre-market. So that was a good sign that we were going to get a nice move out of both of them. MU as well, we picked up some heavy option flow on MU. That brought MU to our attention. Nice move there. We picked up a dark pull right before market open on PFE, which put it on our radar, and this offered some decent opportunities today. Home Depot had a huge earnings beat with a big move up, and once again, anytime you get a big move like this, you can expect this epic flush at open. Especially, this is a perfect setup for it because we gapped up, pushed back down a little bit, run right back up to the pre-market highs, and then just slammed down. So that offered opportunities for members today. Walmart had a earnings miss, so after the initial push down, just glided easily down the rest of the day. This provided some opportunities for some members as well. TTWO had a better than expected earnings. I don't know if I would call it a good earnings, but it was better than expected. So this was on our radar today. It pushed it open, pulled back, and then just grinded up the rest of the day. Still made a decent move. We also picked up some news of a Buffett stake on Citibank. This grinded up throughout the whole day. And Paramount, PARA is the ticker. Nice grind there. We picked up news from Caterpillar this morning that they are meeting all their forecasted numbers, their margins. It grinded up throughout the day. It did pull back on the initial pop from pre-market and then was able to grind, but you could actually draw a line right through here and it pretty much respected that trend line. MOS was brought to our attention through option flow. This is one of our commodity names we've been following. It's a material stock, and you can see it pretty much respected support and resistance here with a nice move up. Boeing came across the squawk about 12:30, and they announced that the black box recovery from the black box showed that it looked like it was an intentional nosedive. And we actually talked about that when this happened, that there were just some things that didn't seem right. So we were kind of expecting that. Let's talk about DLO, which is up and after hours. I believe is trading higher on better than expecting earnings results. This was a nice move here. Got a small cap here as well that showed up on our scanner right at close and has made a really nice run. We do stream live scanners and live news squawks to the trading room every day. And we have a second stream where I actually share my screen and go over price action and setups. But this made a nice push. And there's a few other names that are up as well, but I'm not sure they're highly liquid names. But none of them look as good as those two. Let's take a look at QUIK. That's some ugly price action there. So that's our day in our Trend Catalyst trading room. Join us in our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter. Give us a like here. We're going to be trying to do a lot more videos going over a day, and we're also going to go over the stuff we're seeing moving in after hours, anything we pick up on our live scanners. There's a lot of free educational material in the Facebook group. If you're struggling trading, or if you want to learn how to trade options, or if you're just a trader who works a lot and you're just looking for easy, reliable information, the Trend Catalyst Discord is like an information center. We also have a lot of free educational material in the Facebook group, but we have a lot more educational material in the Discord, including trading courses, live trading. You're able to ask questions during the hours that we're trading. We call volume and option flow, stock movement. Talk about setups in a second stream. So if you're interested, you can find our link in the YouTube channel. There's a link for Discord. There's a link for Facebook. There's a link for Twitter. Please give us a like. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.